Okay, boys, we're back. Welcome back to the Mike from LA1 channel here on YouTube. We're back after hanging out with Press Baked pretty much for a long time. Pretty much for a long time. And hopefully tomorrow we will get some ride-throughs in. As of course, as I promised, Sunday I will tomorrow or next week I'll be filming Aladdin again, so I can that's the final farewell. But the one thing I will show you, the one thing that is totally different is that I will, as much as I don't like doing this, I'll let you guys hear some of the talking audio. As for the song audios, those will be slightly muted. That will be a slightly muted. Oh, straw hatters. So the songs will be close to muted as possible. They'll be as close to muted as possible. But if I don't, oh well. I'll lose that. And let's be honest. I guess for this one show, I guess I could lose it. The audio for this one. Because the only reason why I am lowering the volume so UMG doesn't get their greedy little hands all over my money. So that's why. So yeah. Also, regarding tomorrow's videos, Aladdin is one. The next food review, which will be Pizza Port for the Supernova Pizza, that is still on. Is at Villas, and the Fiery Pizza is out of the running. But don't worry, folks. The Villas House will be reviewed someday. Villas House will be reviewed down the line, possibly for Christmas, for the holiday season, maybe. That is a we'll see at this point, depending on my schedule. So, and also for Sunday, I may get a ride-through in. I know today I guess I can get a couple of ride-throughs in, mainly on the California Adventure side. Tomorrow, most likely, some of the ride-throughs maybe on this side. Then at 12:20, I hit the Aladdin show. Maybe. Could be the Aladdin show. That is a possibility. Then I'll probably hit some of the ride-throughs, and then I'll rest the rest of the week. That is a we'll see at this point. Okay. Now, next stop is gonna be the French Market for my food review. Before we do, we'll just say we take a look at some of the merchandise here, shall we? Okay, let's see. You can get Dreamcatcher, nice hats, and got lunch wagons here. Yeah. Alright, guys, so after this little brief update, we got some Mickey's Halloween party gear. Might as well show these off to you. We got these adorable these Christmas lights counting down the hall. We got these orange Mickey's Halloween party costumes. So, yeah.
That's better.
Oh, and by the way, as for my Laughing Stock update, you guys might as well show you who the Laughing Stock characters are for today. Who's playing who today? I might as well, because I owe you. Just 1 second. And it just ended. Oh no. Hey ho. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, our destination is over there at the French Market. So, why don't we say we head on off, guys? Shall we? Let's walk on over there to the French Market. And I did get a confirmation that we are going to try out the barbecue ranch, which will probably be as sloppy as possible. So, yeah. So, before it becomes Star Wars land. So, which means we got two possible viewing options for the construction updates. Making a French Parking structure or not. Although the Columbia would be nice, but oh, I'm sorry, that's going to be closed for next year. For the next year to 14 months, in my humble opinion. They have yet to announce what they're doing to the river to make this a Star Wars. I have no clue what they're going to do. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to enjoy the land that is the French Market, home of the Royal Street Bachelors? Royal Street Bachelors. There's Cafe Orleans, but oh boy, here. You have no idea how many requests I've got to review this one. Review that one. Alright, here we are, guys. We're at the French Market. My destination. Queenie! There you go. This place is known for the French dip. French dip sandwiches. Oh, wait, this thing. Ooh, that! Alright, let's go inside.
Now I know the food is delicious, but I promise you a real taste of knowledge, and that means singing. We already did the whole song, so all you gotta do is repeat after me. Here we go. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, Lord, I want. When the saints go marching in. This side. Oh, when the sun refuses to shine. Oh, when the sun refuses to shine. Oh, Lord, I want to be in that number. When the sun refuses to shine. Here we go. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, Lord, I want to be in that number. Somebody give me a mint juice and like that.
Bravo!
Oh my goodness, give a great round of applause to the Royal Street Bachelors. Aren't they wonderful? Well, you guys get out there and enjoy that diamond celebration. Enjoy your lunch. My name is Queenie, and it's been so much fun. See y'all here real soon. Bye, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about another hand for the Queen of New Orleans Square, Queenie?
Now let's talk about the decorations in here for the holidays. Excuse me. There we go. Now I'm going to talk about decorations. Good God, is this awesome. Good Lord, is this one. we're not done with this place. Not by a long shot. Because of course we have the French dip we have to try. We have the cream corn chowder, which that could work. Wow, that looks really awesome.
I'm getting a bit close.
Yeah, we are actually not that far from that Miss Beautiful bar.
She needs to use the restroom.
And also, if you guys don't want to stand in that line, you can get a Miss Julep right here. Oh, ladies. Okay, judging by the build-ups, I might as well cut the ridiculousness and I'll show you guys how to do it. We're having thank you for walking. We got you may get out of the way. We got the shrimp po' boy, which I'm probably gonna that up just a tad bit, so.
What else?
Alright guys, let's see that's the finished product. Sorry for a long video. We just
You
got
said
the Royal
something to
Street.
me?
We got the Royal Street Bachelors. I have to get them in, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, after this little people say, what's the French dip look like? Oh, there it is. Right here. My finished product. It's supposed to come with lettuce and tomato, but of course, since I don't eat lettuce and tomato, I just, that's it. It is what it is. Yes, I know, I'm a boring person, so. However, this is not the video. We got to about to see the desserts. And boy, the desserts here are, there's the sign from but for some reason it's on the menu, but I don't expect this, but I'm like, where is it on this for some reason? There you go, see the desserts. There's the pumpkin cheesecake. We got the Haunted Mansion cake over there. Might get a close up of that. There's the pumpkin cake that I talked about earlier. There it is. There's the Haunted Mansion cake right there. And I save myself a few hundred emails by too bad I won't be reviewing it. I'm just gonna show us off. Alright guys, so yeah, next time you see me hear my voice on camera, it will be, well, I find it sweet. Dining with this, so stay tuned. Well, wait no further, guys. Here we are, guys, the shrimp po' boy, the horseradish, mayonnaise, Cajun sauce with the Cajun chips. Why not? Put the straw in here at the French market. This is the first of 2 times I've eaten here. It should come with mayonnaise and tomatoes, so. Alright guys, so let's get right in. Let's see how this sucker tastes. Wow, and the darn roll is falling apart. Let's try a chip here. Wow. Those chips are really good. This is really good. And by the way, if you guys want to know why I the Mint Julep bar, there it is. Buying from the Mint Julep train. Alright guys, so the next thing you'll be seeing from me is a ride through. It could be either the red car trolley or walk the stick. Or we may do both, depending on the line. So until then guys, if you guys excuse me, I gotta finish.
Can I set this down for 2 seconds?
Sure, no
Put
problem.
my stuff away. Thank you.
I gotta finish the seat.